Good morning, friends. It's very early in the morning. I haven't even washed my face yet. Frank and I are sitting here on the porch here at this lovely house sit that we're doing through Trusted Housesitters. We're taking care of the cutest little puppies. They're not puppies at all. They're seniors, and they are no trouble at all. They have their little routines that we do, feed them in a certain way. They're not very quick or fast, so you don't have to be super careful that they're going to take off. They know. They're very well trained. They're so cute. Anyways, they get us up very early in the morning. Just like most seniors, they get up very early in the morning. And so it's about 6 in the morning, and they've been fed. Their medication's been given to them. They've been shown a little love and let out for a little pee and that sort of thing. Really encourage you to check out this lovely city. There's actually 3 cities within one. So that would be Rowley, and it would be Durham and Chapel Hill. And you know, it's a university town, so lots of students, and it's very modern and yet traditional at the same time. But if you've watched the last couple of videos, you know what we're talking about. We have so much more to share with you, so stay with us. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And for those of you who are new here, we're Fern and Frank, 2 restless retirees doing our best to try to see this beautiful world around us. And we want you to join us.
Oh geez, I'm salivating here. The place is called First Watch here in Durham, North Carolina. It's a breakfast place. And I'm just reading the menu and it's like, oh my lord, there's so much stuff all over the place.
I think it's a franchise, don't you think?
It might be. It might be. I've never been to it, but everything looks so fresh. It's such a nice, airy, bright place. It's
We were just saying this is a place you want to come back to.
Oh, I was going to say, this is a place you want to come back to
again.
again.
There is so much on the menu.
You want to run the menu.
An awesome breakfast. Highly recommend that place. What was it called again? First Watch. And they are a franchise. I have a feeling when we were in Naples last year, we had a breakfast there as well, in Naples, Florida there, and it was really good. I remember that. So highly recommend that.
Welcome to American Tobacco's historic district and social area. So come along and see what it has to offer.
Frank and I thought it would be a really good idea to come down here, sort of like when things are quiet. I have a feeling that this area is a lot like, if you're in from Toronto, like the distillery district, which is an old factory sort of place that has up and coming, and there's a lot of social things that happen, big events happen there, but typically it's quiet and there isn't a lot going on. And then they have these events and lots of people come through, lots of restaurants and events like that. And I think this area is exactly like this. packed when there's a game on. Oh my goodness. Well, there was 1 hour of free parking on the road, so that was really convenient as well. Did you like that?
Oh, I liked it. I really liked it. I was very impressed.
Yeah, if we were here longer, it sounds like a place we would come.
Definitely come, especially in the evening. They say the evening is really, really nice, all lit up, and you know, a lot of patios, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But we have puppies to look after, so maybe another time.
Yeah.
Welcome to Durham City Center. Here we are at the Durham Auditorium. This is their live theater and show place, and actually it's interesting because Ziggy Marley's going to be performing here tomorrow night.
Oh, very cool.
We're here at what they called 5 Points. Behind us, we'll show you in a second, it's got the street signs saying Chapel Hill, Main Street, and Moore Street. A lot of coffee shops, patios, cafes. I'm just here in the shade because it's hot. They're calling for 37 degrees today. So that's a melter.
Yeah. And there is later today, there's going to be a weather event.
Yeah, they're calling for 25 millimeters of rain later this evening.
And
So
possibly hail. So let's hope not. We're going to go have a refreshment. We're going to try 9th Street Bakery. Root beer and a chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip.
Root beer. I haven't had one of these and I don't remember.
Well, that was really good.
Judge? Yes. Oh, you're so happy.
Everyone, here we are at Sarah P. Duke Gardens at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina.
So you can see that parking is $2 an hour, and you do it through an app. It looks like if you only have change, you can come to this south parking, I think it is, or lower parking they call it. And there is an information center, another information center. And here's the main entrance. And what's wonderful is that admission is free. So it's great. They have a terrace gift shop, visitor center. They have samples of botanicals here.
Oh my Lord, eh?
We're really impressed.
Okay, so this is where we are now, and this path to the left takes you down to the Roni Fountain. There's a lovely garden around here.
Here we go.
Oh, this is so nice. There's the
You
plaque
know,
on the
when I
front.
was searching this, Frank was like, yeah, okay. He thought it was going to be like a nature trail. And sometimes, you know, even though nature trails are beautiful, you know, you've seen one, it seems like you've
all
seen
the
them
trees
all.
look the same after a while.
But when you have gardens, I mean, we just have a way of manipulating nature in order to make it very eye-catching. And this is a prime example.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you, can't you see? I want you, I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy, I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe. And check out our socials. We're on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube Shorts. We're there
Come along.
for daily tidbits.
'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you, can't you see? I want you, I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy, I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love, yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It just kept getting better and better as we went through the park.
It's really a spectacular garden,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Ponds, koi fish, everything.
'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you, can't you see? I want you, I believe, 'cause I want you.
But there is so much to see here. I would highly recommend this. If you're ever down in North Carolina, in the Raleigh area, please look this park up. It's gorgeous.